when I put the tap in, I wasn't ready for it to come out that quickly. So all I had at hand was this old jar from maraschino cherries. And I had to quick put something under the tap until I could go get a bigger container. This is how much I got in 15 minutes with the way it's dripping right now. It burst out of the tree when I was drilling the hole. So I'd say this is going to be a good producer. I'll have to get a bigger container. It took me 5 days with these containers to collect at least 12 gallons of sap. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit subscribe. Thanks. See you again soon.